This 2020 open-range Light 275 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used open range is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a gray, tan interior, sleeps 6, TV, microwave, stove top burner, water heater, LP detector, awning, skylight, refrigerator, CO detector, air conditioning, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 open-range Light 275 RLS is 7,155 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.